Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody's had a great week. Got a quick one for you. I've been working out at our property a lot and watching contractors and doing some other things. And I've always got my work laptop with me because somebody will have a problem and I'll have to fix it. So the one thing about my job, I love it, that I can work pretty much anywhere I am as long as I have an internet connection and power. Okay, tethering off my phone out at the property, I get an average of 12 up, 120 to 180 down. So, I mean, that's perfect. Work does well. Power, I don't have anything to charge the laptop up with. And my Dell work laptop takes 65 watts. My MacBook Air takes 30 watts. My iPad takes 18. So I need that. I need power. And so I went to Amazon once again and I picked up one of these. Hopefully there's right there. It's a GearGo 400 watt power inverter that plugs into your ladder plug. And this is one of these little Chinese jobs. It's $30, not expensive. Hopefully it'll never catch on fire. But what it has two 110 volt AC receptacle plugs and two 4.8 amp 5 volt USB-A plugs on it. Let me open it up here. We'll do an unboxing for you. Because I don't know if anybody else has the same problem, that they need a little power where they are. So right here, it's a little aluminum enclosure. It's aluminum. On the back, it's got an on-off switch and a cooling fan, and about 16, 18 inches for the plug. On the front, it has two 110 volt AC receptacle outlets and two USB-A's and a little LED to tell you that it's on. Now, one thing about it, on the box it says 400 watts. Okay, if your vehicle does not output 400 watts through the ladder plug, you won't get it. My 20 model Tundra outputs 120 watts through the ladder plug. And I got two ladder plugs in there and they're both the same. So that means I can get 120 watts with this. Well, I can charge both my laptops and the iPad and a phone all at the same time. So, I mean, it's going to work great for me. Along with the unit itself, you have a quick guide with the troubleshooting and all that stuff. And they actually put a little card in here if you, well, there it is. If you scan the QR code right there where my finger's at, they give you an extra 5-year warranty apparently. So I'm going to go do that today and see what they give you. They say an extra 5 years warranty and surprise. So hopefully it doesn't mean I owe them another 20 bucks. So anyway, let's grab the laptop. I'm going to grab a MacBook Air and a 90 watt charger. I've got a 90 watt RAV power charger there, and we're going to run down to the truck and show you what we got and see how it does, because I hope it does well. So we got the power inverter, and it says right down here 12 volts, 120 watts. I'll take a picture of this here in a little bit. So we're going to plug it in here. Now on the Toyota Tundra, the vehicle has to be on, so I'll just turn that on. I'll flip the switch on, and hopefully you can hear that. So I have a 90 watt RAV power that I'll plug into there. And I got a little blue LED come on. So I need to find me a place to put this. Can't put it down in the cup holder. So I'll plug in my air. And it started charging. And I got the little charge icon going right there. So that's working. I will I'll record that for posterity so you know it. Do a Command Shift 3 on the Mac screenshots so you'll see it's charging. So what I can do is just set it down here in the little area here. Got a plenty of room there for it, and now I can have power for my laptops, phones, iPad, whatever I've got. My cameras, I can charge my cameras now with full power instead of just the USB power of the truck. This is going to work out good for me. So I can work with my job, and I'm very fortunate that I can work pretty much anywhere I want to as long as I got a internet connection and power. So all right, we're going to end it right there. Links for this be in the description. I'll give you a 2-week review on it. I don't know what that is. I'll give you a 2-week review on it, see how I like it, see if I recommend it. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day and a great weekend. Hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment. Let me know if you have a power inverter in your vehicle. Let me know that, because I'm anxious to take this in the boat too, so that'd be good. But I hope everybody's doing well, and like I always say, until the next video, thanks for watching. I like it.